Boy, Lana, I'm tired of the food. I'm running saying, no new food replace around here.
Well, me know one place down by Farmers.
Yeah? Tell me about it now, man.
109-12 Farmers Boulevard. They are called Greater Hope Prophetic Life.
I name it sound familiar, you know.
Them have one fish fry for March 25th at noon.
Noon. Lunchtime.
Yeah. And guess what?
Yeah.
Them have fish. Them have rice and peas. Them have vegetable.
Yeah. That's all like my language.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And guess how much it costs?
How much?
$25.
Chicken feed that, man. Yeah.
So listen, you know, if you book your food from Uber or DoorDash,
Free delivery.
free delivery.
Hey.
Free within a 5-mile radius.
I know, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, man, and guess what?
Yeah.
When you eat and after you eat, listen here, they might have one cake to feed your sweet tooth.
Oh, God.
3 pieces of cake.
Keep on that, you have to be careful, you know.
Jesus.
Shut no, tell them something there.
Aye, but may I tell you, if you want to buy a ticket,
Yes.
here's who you contact. Pastor Sandra Fraser.
Yeah.
You can contact Evangelist Tyshrena Kane.
Okay.
And any one of the members.
I
there.
feel Jesus. Yes.
Yes, sir. So make sure you get your tickets. $25. March 25th, noontime.
That song, good. That song. I'll be there.
Alright.
You guys be there too. God bless.